Hey guys, the Coolkins here, and today I'm babysitting Wallace. Can you say cheese, Wallace? Cheese! So we'll be just having some fun. Cheese! What is that? What's that?
It's in it.
What's in it?
Kids.
Is there candy in there?
Yeah.
No, it's candy.
He ate it.
Yeah, you want to eat it? Yum.
Mommy.
Yummy.
Make go. Make go. Cookies.
He's saying Webkins. I taught him that. Oh, he's leaving. I better go follow him. Okay, my camera's dying, so we have to say goodbye. Wallace, can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Later.